Google Ads is a platform through which you can reach various people who are viewing online things. And one of the best thing about Google Ads is you only being charged when someone clicks on your ad. This is one of the very good flexible thing about Google, is that unless and until someone clicks you, you are not being charged. And with the Google advanced click fraud detection thing, it makes sure that you are not being charged for invalid clicks. Also, there are companies which also provides click fraud solutions through which you can further detect fraudulent clicks and reduce your cost. But Google has a very good system in place as well. And another thing about Google which I like is Google has a huge online advertising community. I have from this, I first of all I want to refer, like, there are billions of searches being done on Google network daily basis. That is a market you can capture through Google Ads. And the second thing is, with the Google display network, it has a huge publisher through which you can advertise your or promote your product or service online, including youtube.com, gmail.com, and many publisher websites. The largest publishers websites all around the globe use primarily Google AdSense to show ads and monetize their websites, and you can advertise your website online on them through Google Ads. Also, another thing which I like about Google is you have an ability to run campaigns on specific hours when you feel like you have a peak timings. You feel like there is a buying time, you can only advertise on those timings, on those days. You can further only target those people who are if you are promoting a specific restaurant and only serving specific areas, you can promote your restaurant only in those locations. Similarly with the offline stores. And so it has a very flexible option to target your audience. It is another advantage you can get with the Google Ads. Google Ads also work with the intent system, and it works with a keyword based algorithm where to find out the intent of the user with every keyword, and with further optimization you can only target those people who have an intent on buying specifically your product or service. So this is another thing about the Google system which I further like. And you also have to control all the times. You are the owner. You can run the campaign whenever you want. You are the one who is going to decide the budget for your campaigns. You are the one who is going to define how much you can pay for each of your clicks. You have the ability to optimize your quality score, maintain effect. Although you can hire an agency just like me, or a person who can manage campaigns for you, but itself Google has a very good algorithm through which you can promote and manage your online advertising solutions. And one of the things I like about PPC or Google Ads is their results are quite quicker than SEO. Although SEO is gonna take time from 3 to 6 months or even longer, depending on the niche or your website power, how old your website is, your domain authority, and different factors, your backlinking, on-page experience. But with PPC Google Ads, you can come up as soon as within 24 hours. I'm saying 24 hours on safe side, although I know that people can run within few hours, and if their account is sold, you can be in online in an hour or so. So, but this is another thing, And another thing I was discussing with another person was another advantage of running PPC campaigns is, like, if you want to even invest in SEO and you are not sure if these keywords are buying keywords or not, you can start running a PPC campaign and see if these keywords brings a buying traffic, then only invest in SEO for those keywords, otherwise don't. So even for SEO, it's quite helpful to advertise via Google Ads to actually find out which keywords are converting keywords for your website. And another thing about specifically, I mean to refer with the Google display network and YouTube, is it can help you build a brand awareness on your audience. And even with the Google display network and YouTube, you can also do remarketing and retarget those people who already know about your product and service So even in various case studies, researches, it has been shown that people who already know about your product or service are more likely to being converted as compared to first time visitors. So it's another great opportunity for those who wants to work online and looking for those who want to capture online branding and wants to retain their users and wants to the users to remember their product or brand whenever the niche comes upon. So it's a very good opportunity for them as well. And again, you can earn more conversions with the very advanced reporting functions Google Ads is providing. You can also increase your ROI, return on investment, through different bidding strategies they have. Even with the CPC, they have different bidding options. Like if you want to being bid on the first top, or like top of the page, down of the page, you want to do manual CPC bidding, you want to they have different opportunities, different strategies. Even they have a CPA bidding model as well. So they are like, Google Ads is full of functions. And even if you specifically compare with the offline ads, if you are running offline ads and you don't know how many views you have, like how many views have seen your ad as compared to online, you have all that ad access on who visited, for how much time they visited, and even if they came again or not. You can also use the data to do remarketing. We do not have such opportunities available when we are doing offline advertising. We are just being given TRAs to see like the value of the soaps or dramas, but we are not even sure how many people watched our ad during the particular times we played or we run our ad. But with the Google Ads and their advanced tracking formula, we can actually find out who is visiting our website and they are actually liking our brand or not. And this can help us even in improving our product or service. For instance, if we can observe through their buying behavior on our website, like if there is something needs to be improved, or if a competitor is being offering something better, it's quite quicker and easier for us as a brand to analyze and evaluate if we are doing online advertising specifically with Google Ads. So these were the few things which I personally like about Google Ads. And I suggest everyone, like if you're a brand or a business, you can run your online campaign through Google Ads and generate more conversions, build do more branding, find new customers, resell your existing customers, and even you can also like generate your email list, generate lead forms, and blah blah. You have a lot of opportunities. So thank you so much. And in case if you like this video, do share or comment or like the video. Thank you.